Hi everyone. So here's another one of the great features of Zoom, and I use Zoom and Google Docs to teach essay writing. So let's have a look together. Here we go. First thing you're gonna do is open up a Google Docs document. Alright, go to Google Docs and open up a blank document. Next, click Share. Let's just call it our demonstration. Okay, and then click on Get Shareable Link. Anyone with link can view. Anyone with link can edit. That's what we want. Copy link, and then click Done. Once you've done that, head back to your Zoom window, go to your chat, and send it to everyone. Now everyone can access this. So let's say we are writing an essay together and the title is write about something simple. Which is the best what is the best dish that you have ever had? Something like that. Alright, so I know no one likes essay writing, but with Zoom and Google Docs together it becomes quite fun because you can get your students to write one body paragraph each. So for example, John's gonna write this, Susan's gonna write this, and Jessica's gonna write whatever. Right, so instead of writing a 250 word essay, just tell them that you want 50 words or 80 words. Alright, and because Jessica has the Google Docs access in the chat, we are going to fill this up with Jessica's writing. Ta-da! Alright, so now Jessica, which is actually Nick, is able to write the essay here. So she writes a nice essay and blah blah blah, and then everyone can see it. Now let me show you an example of one they actually did in class. So the question, well, this was for adults, so the question was a bit more abstract, and it was what makes a good conversation. Now Seung Chan wrote this, Bobby wrote this, and Hyungi wrote this. Now they took about maybe 10 minutes to write this, and once they were done, I told Seung Chan to have a look at Bobby's paragraph, Bobby had a look at Hyungi's paragraph, and Hyungi had a look at Seung Chan's paragraph, and they have to highlight the mistakes in the essay and fix it for them. So for example, Hyungi, who looked at Seung Chan's essay, pointed out that the word on here was wrong, as I mentioned on the introduction. So she highlighted it and changed it to in. And here she pointed out that Seung Chan had used the bare infinitive. A good conversation starts from have to people. So she highlighted it and changed it to having. So this is a really useful way for the whole class to actually enjoy writing an essay together and to discuss and fix each other's grammar errors. Right, give it a shot.